Hello friends, today in this video I will discuss about the coupling. See, when there is a shaft, as we know, the shaft is the rotating member. When the length of the shaft is too long, means lengthy, then we don't make the shaft in a single piece because it is difficult to transport such shaft. So, in order to simplicity, what we do is make the shaft in two pieces. That is, instead of transfer a complete length of the shaft, we divide just two halves, and these two halves connect with which device is called coupling. So coupling is the mechanical device which connects the shaft which is in two halves. So coupling is the mechanical device which connects the shaft which is in two halves. So friends, here you can see the diagram. This is shaft 1, this is shaft 2. This is left hand coupling and this is right hand coupling. Here the coupling is in left hand side, so it is left hand coupling, and the coupling is in right hand side, so it is called right hand coupling. Now how the connection take place? Firstly we take the shaft 1 which will insert in left hand coupling using key, and after that we will take shaft 2 which will insert in right hand coupling using key, and this key, half portion of this key will be in shaft and other half portion will be in coupling. Now after inserting the shaft in this coupling, we would join this coupling. Now friends, you can see here the number of holes provided on the coupling, and these holes should be aligned. After aligning these holes, of both couplings, we will insert the bolt, and after that we will use the nuts for tightening, that it becomes a single unit. Now it looks it will look like that. Now we will give the power any one of the shaft, and the that shaft will rotate the other shaft, and power will be transmitted through this coupling. Now friends, we will discuss about the function of the coupling. Number one, it should align or connect to shaft. Okay, it should align or connect to shaft. Number two, it should prevent shock loading. See, shock loading means when we'll give the power any one of the shaft and the power will be transmitted through other shaft, and there will be there is some amount of the time gap. If it should not be happen suddenly, the shaft starts to rotate. The shaft will attain the speed gradually, and if the shaft starts suddenly, there there will be chance for sharing the shaft. Hmm. Number three, it should align the center of the bolt if the center of the bolt is not matching. There are chances to share the bolt. It should prevent power loss. 5. Number 5, power transmission should be smooth and avoid noise. See friends, there have chances the share of the bolt of the coupling, so it can happen, it can hit the other member close to the coupling. So we provide a protective cover on the coupling which hides the head of the bolt. So hope friends all of you have understood, and here we can see we have seen the what is the coupling and the function of it. Now I will come in next video with the classification of the coupling, and if you like my video, then subscribe and share it. Okay, thank you.